This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sherry Mulhare. Balmoral, the Queen's Castle. Custom designed and built with all the best upgrades, this home is move-in ready. With 4 ensuite bedrooms, gourmet kitchen, dining room, a customized laundry room and plenty of storage, this home has it all. Gather around in the open floor plan kitchen and family room with custom cabinets, built-ins, and yards of granite counter space. With easy access to the screened porch and deck, you will want to plan some time to relax while overlooking the pond. With easy breeze panels, the porch could be used year-round. The first floor master bedroom with hardwood floors, tray ceiling, amazing views and spa-like bathroom is the perfect retreat. The dining room has impressive trim, wainscot and sparkling crystal light fixtures. Telecommuting, homeschooling or keeping your business running, the office has French doors and a full bathroom attached. Best of all, this all-brick home has a 3-car garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry Mulhare at 757-719-4112.